Hi children, you know all your letters, all the alphabet, each one you can remember. Let us do an exercise to remember the letters in order, whether you can put it in order. Arrange the letters, whatever letter I give you, 4 or 5, whatever letters. Arrange the letters in alphabetical order. You should know which letter comes first, which letter comes middle, last, like that. Let's do an exercise to sharpen our mind, our brain, to see whether we can put them in order. Let's look at our first exercise. Here we are. We have here letter, what is it? M. Sound. C. K. P. P. Good. L. L. T. T. So we have here M, C, P, L, T. Now, these 5 letters, which is the first letter? Yes, that's good. C. First comes C. Now, so we put C here. After that, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Next comes L. So we take the L and put it here. After L, here we have M. Very good. So we take M and put it here. After M, N, go on. O, P. Very good. So when the P comes down here. And then definitely the last letter. Alright, let's go over the sound. C, K, L, L, M, N, P, P, T, T. Now, all the 5 letters we have arranged in order. C comes first. After that, L and then M and P and T. So, very good. Let's take another exercise to sharpen our brain. Good. Here we are. We have here K, E, B, Q, J. Let's look at the sounds. K, kite, K, E, A, B, B, Q, quack, J, jelly, J, J, J. Now let's pick the letter. Do you have A here? No. B, yes. The B is the first one. Very good. B. B. No C. D. E there is. Very good. So we put the E here. E, F. F. No. G. H. I. No. J. Oh, we have J here. So we put the next J. Next. K. Oh, we have K here. K here. Then of course last letter Q. Let's go. We have arranged all the 5 letters in order correctly. Let's look at the sound. Say the sound. B, B, E, F, J, 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 jelly, jelly, J, J, J. K, kite, K. Q, quack. Very good. Are you happy? You arranged all the alphabet in order? Good. Let's take another exercise to sharpen our brain. Here we are. We have N, A, S, F, W. Okay. Do we have A? Yes, we have A. So we put the A here. Next. B, no. C, D, E, F. We have letter F. So we put F here. G, H, I, J, K, L, M. We have N. Good. O, P, Q, R, S. We have S here. And finally, we put W here. Let's go over the sound of these letters. We have successfully arranged all the alphabet in order. Good. A, What's the sound of A? A. F. N. Good. S. W. Watch out. Very good. Shall we take another exercise to sharpen our brain? Good. Here we are. Let's look at the letters. P, G, C, V, L. Which is the first letter? Do you have A? No. B? No. C? Yes, we have C. So we put the first letter C. D, E, F, G. We have G. H, I, J, K, L. We have L here. N, O, P. We have P here. And finally, we put V down there. Let's go over the sound of each letter. We have successfully arranged all the 5 letters in alphabetical order. Very good. C, K. What's the sound of C? K. G, 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 G. What a G goes down the drain. Good. L, lollipop, Mika lollipop. L, P, P. And finally, V, V. Very good. Did you enjoy arranging all the letters in alphabetical order and remembering their sound? Very good. Let's look at another set of letters. Here we are. Let's read them out. O, D, T, H, Z. You have A? No. B? No. C, D we have. We put the D down here. Very good. E, F, G, H. We have H. So we put the H down here. Very good. I, J, K, L, M, N, O. We have O here. So we put the O. Take and put it over here. P, Q, R, S, T. T over here. And finally, the last letter is Z. Good. Let's go over the sound. D, D. Remember the drum? D, D, D. Good. H, good. Off. You put the light on. When it's dark, you put the light on. Off. T, 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 T. Z, Z. So we have arranged all the letters in alphabetical order. Did you enjoy? Very good.